You want a good PC? I got some ideas for you. On Newegg, if I were to suggest a pre-build, go for this ABS Cyclone. It has a Ryzen 5 9600X and an RX 9060 XT, 32 gigabytes of RAM, a terabyte SSD, and it's actually a good price for surprisingly for a pre-built PC. Now, if I were to suggest a PC build, this is probably what I would do. If anyone has any other type of ideas, then you can put it down in the comments. The CPU, I'd go for a 7600X. It's about $170. Cooler Master Cooler. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, G-Skill Flare. Right here, it's like 90 bucks. Still P3 Plus, it's 2 terabyte, which you'd get 2 terabytes from this PC instead of 1 terabyte on the other. So about 100 bucks. The 9060 XT, which I was gonna recommend that card anyway, and it's like about $370. Then I do the Montech 903 Air Max case. I think it's really good. I really like that case. So yeah, it's like a $90 case. Power supply, I wouldn't fully cheap out on it, but I did a pretty good brand right here, which is MSI Mag. It has 80 plus bronze, and it's $75. $100 cheaper than the pre-built PC I suggested.